Hey y'all, I'm going to be showing y'all how I make my whipped shea butter, and it has natural fragrance. Today I'm using jasmine oil and I am using lavender oil. I'm also using some castor oil, some Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I might use this extra virgin olive oil. I'm not sure yet. I'm definitely going to be using this Sweet Almond Oil and definitely going to be using this 100% cocoa butter. I have a double boiler there, and you just put water in the pot and a bowl on top right there. Get it going. So that is the amount of shea butter I'm going to be using. This is not the ivory shea butter. It's the other one. And this is actually my first time using this one. And the ivory one is cool, but I just wanted to use something that I felt was more organic, you know? I feel like the ivory has some type of processing. So anyways, I don't refrigerate my shea butter. I keep it room temperature because I find that it melts quicker. And you know, like in this time when I need to hurry and make some, you know, the process is quick. So this is the actual time it took to melt it down. So y'all, I ended up finding my grapeseed oil. So I went ahead and slid that olive oil back, and I will be adding my 100% grapeseed oil to this whipped shea butter. Now, that is just the amount I need. I love grapeseed oil. You know, sometimes I use it as a lotion, you know, by itself at times. I find that some olive oil makes me itchy, you know, in parts of the year. Has that ever happened to y'all? Like you use olive oil on your head or something and then you're just like, it itches. I think it absorbs too quickly or something in my pores. I don't know what it is, but I added it to the bowl while the fire was still going, as along with cocoa butter because they need that heat so it can melt. So as you can notice there's just like a little bit that needs to be melted, and there is some specks from the shea butter. I don't mind that, but when it cools down, you can't remove those little specks out of it. So anyways, now I'm just letting that little thing dissolve there, and ouch, it was hot. Got it. All right, bam. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my essential oils once the fire is off, because I want to keep these smells very, very like potent, you know. So it seems like my jasmine oil was coming out more, so I went ahead and put that down, and then I added my lavender oil by itself. Had to do a little more to get that out the bottle. I'm running out. Anyways, so make sure you grab something, you know, that's gonna protect your hand when you're grabbing that bowl. I moved it over to my chopping board because my countertop is not stone. We're gonna remodel real soon. We just moved here, y'all, so calm down, okay? Anyway, so once it's cool and I can pick it up, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it over to my freezer where it is gonna work its magic. Yeah, buddy. Bluebell. Anyways, hey, I'm gonna see you in a minute, okay? Wait, y'all, I forgot. So I'm a big fan of rose water now. Like I use it, I mix it with my witch hazel, and I use it for like my face, my hair, everything. I just love it. So I'm adding it into my shea butter because you can't go wrong with that, right? Like, anyways, so 8 hours later, what do we have here? Ooh, it has like this marbly look to it. Oh my God, what is that? It's going to be whipped shea butter in a minute. Bam, look at it. So I let it melt just a little bit, and I whipped it up. And y'all can't get lazy with this process. You know, if you have a hand mixer, do your thing. Mine actually broke, so I had to transfer it over. But yo, that's what you want it to look like in the end. So anyways, I went ahead and took it outside, and I did a little few pictures. If you try this recipe, let me know. And if you're not interested in making your own shea butter and you would like to order some, visit the website below and I can go ahead and get it shipped out to you. All right, y'all, take care.